We're about to celebrate the feast day of St. Vincent Ferrer. Now, some people might wonder, didn't we just celebrate that, Father? I get all these messages, happy feast day on April 5th. But the Dominican Order has moved him to May 5th so that we can always celebrate him. That way he doesn't fall during Easter or Holy Week. When I was discerning with the Dominicans, there were a number of saints that jumped out to me as ones that could be beautiful and powerful patrons. St. Vincent Ferrer was among them. And I think his example of fidelity to the gospel, faithfully and boldly proclaiming Jesus Christ and his coming again, his coming into our hearts and us going to him, was something that just so greatly struck me. And I knew that if I was going to enter the Dominicans, that I wanted to be able to preach in a way that drew people to Christ. It's not about us as preachers, but it's about us leading people to the Lord Jesus. And St. Vincent Ferrer's preaching is such a profound example of that, and something that continues to affect us here as Dominicans, but also all of the people that come to this parish as well. Decades ago, the Dominicans here wanted to have a particular and special relic of St. Vincent Ferrer. So they wrote to the order in Rome, and the master of the order arranged for us to get a piece of his preaching finger, which we keep on display in our reliquary, but also on the feast we process around the church with it, so that the faithful have a chance to pray in front of it in a particular and blessed time. And this is a wonderful thing because he is this profound preacher with tens of thousands of conversions through his preaching, hundreds of miracles. His example is one of always keeping our eyes set on God. He helps to lift up our minds and hearts, and I think in this reason, he is the patron saint of builders. But I think what is so beautiful is that he's building something particular here. He's building our parish. He and St. Catherine, whose feast we just celebrated, through their intercession, the church is being built up in a most beautiful way. Come join us as we enter into this opportunity to celebrate his feast. Come by and pray in front of the relic. Come to our Mass on May 5th in his honor, and join us as we celebrate this great priest and Dominican.